Objective and use case. What you'll build. A standalone workshop countdown relay timer using an Arduino UNO R3, push buttons, a one-channel relay module, and a piezo buzzer. Users can set a duration, start a non-blocking countdown with millis. Keep a 5 volts or 12 volts load, energized through the relay while time remains, and trigger an audible alert when the timer reaches 0. Why it matters divided by use cases. Automatically shut off small bench loads such as a 5 volts fan, miniature pump, or 12 volts test lamp after a fixed 30S to 10 nanominutes work cycle. Improve repeatability for workshop tasks like adhesive warming, PCB fume extraction, cleaner runs, or jig activation, where consistent timing matters more than manual estimation. Teach core embedded skills in one build: button reading, debounce timing in the 10 to 50 ms range, relay control, buzzer feedback, and finite-state logic without using delay. Run fully standalone after upload, with near-instant button response under typical loop times of a few milliseconds, and no PC connection required. Audience: Arduino beginners, makers, students, and electronics workshop users. Level: beginner to lower intermediate.
Would you like to really get electronics, computer science, and AI without drowning in endless theory? At prometeo.blog, you learn by actually building and coding. Every week, we publish concise micro-tutorials, technical comparisons, and product overviews to help you decide what to buy and how to use it. But the real gem is our practical cases. Very detailed guides that take you from the bill of materials all the way to final validation. You'll design and test circuits with analog components like resistors, diodes, transistors, capacitors, inductors, relays, and transformers, and with digital logic like AND, OR, NOT, NAND gates, etc. You'll build projects with FPGA, Raspberry Pi, Arduino, ESP32 or Jetson, and even the UGV robot. Everything is step-by-step, exact commands, ready-to-run code, wiring guides, real electrical schematics, SPICE net lists with real simulation plots, troubleshooting guides, upgrades, and much more. All our posts are available in both Spanish and English. At the end of each article, you'll find a short quiz so you can quickly check what you've learned. You also get your own private Prometeo ChatGPT tutor, specialized in electronics, computer science, and AI, with precise knowledge of all the content on the blog. Point. If you really want to learn by doing, advancing one project at a time. Head over to prometeo.blog and get started today.